Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In this video, I'm gonna give you my first impressions and do a small review on the Philips TurboStar Airfryer. With that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. And here she is. This is it, Philips TurboStar Airfryer. As you can see, listen, it looks good. So this had a lot to do with how I ended up buying this air fryer. Just for the fact that it looks good. It's like I'm gonna go ahead and just call it a counter saver. You know what I mean? We all want to have nice looking appliances, on our counter, and I think this qualifies for one. Listen, the build quality is good, so we just gonna go ahead and get right into it, and let's just start breaking it down. I have not even plugged this up yet, so you're getting ready to see the whole shebang. But let me just go ahead and give you my first impression. Hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a thumbs up because I think it looks nice. And again, it's a space saver. Okay, again, you can look at it, you can see it just looks good. And as I stated earlier, I haven't even plugged it up. But first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and just open this up. We'll just open it up like this. I can tell you, look, just feeling it, just like I said, the build quality, it was a noticeable difference, because the box was heavy, but this is a smaller sized air fryer. And this right here is what makes it the TurboStar.
Listen, the air from the top, from the element here, comes down this way, and it forms some kind of, circular, fan. Hey, listen, I got it. I'm supposed to be doing a review. I should know all the, like terms or whatever, but I'm gonna give it to you real. Hey, we finna just put it to a test.
I got some French fries, they bought already seasoned, and we're gonna figure it out from there. So, let me move this like this. Put this over here. Push this button here, and then you can see this comes out. Listen, they have a tray. This little bottom screen right here. Here it is. So we'll take this, and just looking at it, not even looking at the instructions, you should be able to see how it goes. There's an indentation right here, and then this lip right here. So we could drop this in this way, and there you go. I hope you guys can see that. If you can see with my hand here, you can just see, you can put like, hey, here's one for you. Chicken wings, everybody. You thinking about them crispy chicken wings? This is it right here. And they make a 2-tier rack that'll go in here, so you could put something on the bottom. It would sit right here on this bottom rack right here. And then it's another tier at the top, so you can double your capacity. I think that's awesome. It also comes with, look, this Philips air fryer, like tasty, look, it say tasty and healthful dishes. Just trying to be true. Hey, look, they spared no expense. You know what? I was gonna hold off and tell you guys the price of this, but when I bought this was $249. Hey, I can look at the quality of this book, and then some of these accessories that came along with it. I can see why, but I want to let you know that using this basket here, if you're doing wings or something of that nature, it gets a little small. I suggest that everybody go ahead and get that rack, to go in there. Okay, look, now that I don't have everything in there, this should just give you a better, you should be able to see this a little better. That's how the air technology is supposed to hit that and then turn. It should make a swirl. Some type of way it's gonna make some type of swirl like that fan right there. And it's supposed to be better with the air circulation as far as the air fryer goes. Now right here, I'm gonna show you, it has this button right here. This right here is the mechanism. When you put it in here, now that picks up the whole tray. You can see that, look, the whole tray. But if you take it, you push the button, this rises completely out. Now, take this out, put this back, and I'm gonna show you this again. I'm gonna show you this. You see this? Let's see if I can get it. And you should be able to see, you can see my finger right here, so it's right here. This, and then there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you look right here, it's perforated down. So if you take this and you line this up, you line that up here. Let's see if I can do it again for you. Here it is again. I'll take this, set it in like that, and then it sits right in there. So now you can see It's in there. So if you want to do French fries, hey, here's one for you. What about them crispy chicken wings, or any type of chicken wings you want to do? Anything that's solid goes on here, and it keeps it off at the bottom there. So then if you insert it here, now you can pick it up, and you can see how it is. It keeps it off at the bottom. It allows the air to hit this design down here at the bottom, so it'll circulate the swirl and heat up to cook it evenly. We about to find out, because I got some French fries, and we about to find out just what's so special about the TurboStar. All right, check it out. Got me some famous seasoned fries. They call them checkers in some places, but where I live at, they call rallies. But either way, these some good seasoned fries, and we finna see just, you know, what this air fryer can do. Be true to me being a man, I'm not going to read no instructions. I just want to find out, can I figure this out and how easy it is to use. And one thing I can tell you, you don't have to push this button here. If you can just put your thumb right here, look, or you can pull back if you hold your hand here, or you can take your thumb. Listen, it closes and releases fairly easy, really easy. Okay, so got it plugged in, getting ready to hit the power. There's the universal symbol for power. It's all about trying to figure this out ourselves right here. So we see the temperature, 350 degrees. It says 18 minutes. Let's hit this. Ah, look, there's French fries and it says frozen. There's a symbol. So these are your presets. Got it. And there's a knob. Okay, so when we turn this knob here, we're going from French fries that are frozen. That's 350 degrees, 18 minutes. Now we got chicken. 350 degrees, 20 minutes. You got fish, 400 degrees, 16 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and go out on the limb and say that's the symbol for maybe vegetables. That's 400 degrees in 14 minutes. So we doing French fries, they frozen. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what that is in just 1 second. But, look, so I guess that confirms that. 18 minutes, if this is the preset, we go with that. Boom, it's on. I can tell you right now, it's not noisy. I raise my voice just maybe a little bit, just so you guys can hear it, but I'll go ahead and just get a little closer with my microphone. Yeah, this right here. Listen, I can smell them already. That was quick. So we're gonna go ahead and wait. We got 18 minutes, and then I'll get right back with you. Now me, I like to always look at my, whenever I'm using the air fryer, I like to just take a peek at it, you know, halfway through it. So, I see it's still running. This is what we got so far. They almost look the same, but we're gonna continue. The part you didn't see is when it gets down to under a minute, it starts counting back down, you know, from 59 seconds all the way down to 0. That was a nice little touch. So let's check them out. Woo, boy, they smell good. Let me close it. Move those over. There you go. Oh man, they crispy. Let's take a look. Nice and crisp on the outside. They just perfectly cooked. There you go. You can see some of the grease and oil that just dripped off of there, you know, down at the bottom. And this is like that Teflon, non-sticking, so you can see that it'll be easy to clean. So you just seen how easy it was to make these French fries, and I just figured it out, you know, just like by pushing the buttons, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Listen, again, I don't know if you can hear it, but listen, they nice and crisp, they perfect. Okay, I had to cheat a little bit and go like look through the book just to find out what this is, but after looking at the symbol and reading what it is, listen, this is the warmer indicator. So this is your warmer button, and then when you push this, let's go ahead and clear that out. We'll just start all over. If I did this way, that's 30 minutes. And this right here, this blinking, that's the indicator. Also, it came with an app. Okay, so you can go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android and just go ahead and type in Philips. After you get Philips typed in, you know, go ahead and just look for the symbol. And here you'll see the symbol right there. It's the third one down, Philips Airfryer. Go ahead and install that. After it installs, go ahead and, you know, open it, and then, you know, go ahead and just read what it says. It says, you know, go ahead and continue, select your country. Of course, it's USA. Go ahead and select your model. After you have your model selected, go ahead, you know, this is up to you, but I had to allow it. After allowing it, there you go. Browse recipes. Listen, they got tons of video recipes on here, great suggestions. I'm going to be making a few of these myself, but it just show you the capabilities of doing, you know, using your air fryer. Look at there, there's one right there, spicy drumsticks. Then you can see where it says start cooking, 1 of 7, 2 of 7, then 3 of 7, and so forth. So there you have it, folks. You know, very easy to use, looks great on your counter. Listen, the portability is great. So if you're taking it somewhere, say you're going to a cabin or something like that. Hey, and for those of you guys that are travelers like myself, that work in the, you know, some type of industry where you need to be, you know, going away from home, this is a great, packable, looks great, cooks great. And I can tell you this right now, my brain is working because I got something right now in the works. I'm getting ready to bring something to you that's gonna knock your socks off. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get that double layered rack, you know, just to increase my capacity, you know, so when I start doing my thing, I can at least double, you know, my workload. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and just welcome you now. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to my channel. And those of you guys that like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. I would like for you guys to share the video. Outside of that, you guys, you know what? I'm out. Peace.